A group of boys rent futsal hall for 200. So n is the number of boys which should be shared equally. So if 10 more boys join the group, each boy will have to pay 1 ringgit less. Calculate the original number of boys in the group. So we know C is cost. So C is cost. So if 10 more enter, so pay RM1 less. So cost minus 1 is equal to 200 divided n plus 10 new student. So we see here, so we know C is equal to 200 over n. So 200 over n minus 1 is equal to 200 divided by n plus 10. So we multiply everything with n times n plus 10 so that we can remove the denominator. So n plus 10 times 200 minus n minus 1 n times n plus 10 is equal to 200 over n plus 10 times n plus 10. So this one we can remove n plus 10. So here we have n we can cut. So we have 200 times 10 is plus 2000. So here we have n times n. M times n is n square. Negative 1 times n square is minus n square. And here negative 1 times 10n is minus 10n, which is equal to 200n. So we bring at one side. So negative n square will become n square. So we have 200 plus 200n. So we have this one. So minus 10n. If you move to the right, it will become plus 10n. And then 200n, we move to the right, will become negative 200n. And this one will become minus 2000 is equal to 0. So 10n minus 200n minus 200 is 0. So we are left with n square plus 10n minus 2000 is equal to 0. So n minus 40 and minus n plus 50. So n is equal to 40 and negative 50. So the number cannot be negative. So n is equal to 40. So n is equal to 40. And you can check by checking if 200 divided by 40 is equal to 5. And 200 divided, if we add another 10, then it would be 40 plus 10, or 200 divided by 50 is equal to 4. So we know if we add another 10, the previous one they need to pay 5 ringgit. After added 10%, now they have to pay 4 ringgit.